For 20, they want us to evaluate, and they're going to give us values, right? So A, I have negative 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, and they're telling us x is negative 3, right? So I'm going to substitute the negative 3, and I'm not going to do anything else on the first line, whoops, except substitute, right? And now I get negative 2 times negative 3 squared is 9. In this one, it's negative 3 times negative 3 is plus 9 plus 1. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18 plus 9 plus 1. Negative 18 plus 9 is negative 9 plus 1. Negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8 for A. For B, let's do B. We have 8 minus 3x minus 2 squared, and they're giving us x is negative 2, right? X is negative 2. So let's substitute a negative 2. 3 times negative 2 minus 2 squared. One step at a time, right? 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 minus 2. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8, right? Now I have to square first because order of operations tell me exponents first. So negative 8 squared is negative 8 times negative 8, which is 64, positive 64. 64 plus 8 is 72. Again, one step at a time, and you should get the right answer. Now let me see here. The book actually shows negative 56 as an answer for this. So let me see if I made a mistake. So they give us x of negative 2, and I substituted that in to the second line, right? And then 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, which I did correctly. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8, which I did correctly. And negative 8 squared is 64, which I did correctly. And 64 plus 8. Oh, I see where I went wrong, right there. Okay, so let's fix this. Good thing I'm checking. So I have 8 minus, now negative 8 squared is 64, but I have 8 minus 64, right? And 8 minus 64 is negative 56. Okay, so everybody makes mistakes, but let's just correct them when we do. Okay, for C, I have negative 3 over k plus 2. And when k is negative 3, so I have negative 3 over k is negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 3 over negative 3 plus 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Negative over negative is positive, so that's just a positive 3. And for D, right, we have 15m over n plus 1, and they're telling us, oh, more, minus m squared plus n, right? Okay. And they're saying m is 1, n is 2. So let's substitute these in. 15 times m is 1. N is 2, so 2 plus 1, minus m squared. M is 1 squared, and n is 2 plus 2. Okay, so we have 15 times 1 is 15. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 squared. 1 squared is 1, so that's minus 1 plus 2. 15 over 3 is 5 minus 1 plus 2. 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, and we get 6 for D.